Good afternoon. It's July 7th, Monday. We are heading to Old Orchard Beach later in the afternoon today because the tide is coming in, so hopefully there's bigger waves. Yep, it's cold. Oh yeah, the waves look way better for boogie boarding.
You guys gotta jump over the waves too.
Okay.
Gnarly, dude. What are you guys seeing? Big wave.
Cold?
Yeah. It feels warmer than yesterday. It feels colder than yesterday.
Outside?
Yeah.
Rookie and I are just chilling over here. Brooke doesn't like the crabs. I don't like the cold.
I can sound like a seagull.
Good job. Rookie was having me do a crab dance. I wasn't paying attention. That was a good one. Ah. By waves?
How many hotels are here?
I don't know, a lot.
Watch out.
Just starting to rain now. Oh, now it's coming. Now it's starting to come down. Just got a severe thunderstorm warning for Maine. just a few hours after the storm, and it's sunny. It's still humid. It's not going to cool off till tomorrow. It's about 84 degrees out, so we couldn't wait to come back in the pool. Oh, so close, Brooke.
Got it. Three. Sure.
Oh.
Dad's cheating.
No, I'm not.
Wait. Look at all of them. No, look. They even come this way.
Whoa.
What'd you get?
I got two. But look at this colony of ants. Ellie, stick your finger. What? Or did one bite you? Dad. Yeah, there it is. Two. Come on, Brookie. No. Let's see if those are. Oh, yeah. What?
Don't you just have the biggest urge to
No. No. I was gonna see if they were gonna climb.
Oh, Brookie.
Three!
Why'd you?
Three!
I was trying to get out of your ring.
It's
Oh, here comes one. You're getting attacked by seagulls over there?
Dad, where are we? We're at Old Orchard Beach. We having fun? Yeah. How we doing? Some waves. How we doing, Mom?
Cold.
Cold.
This is not cold. Ocean though?
I'm having a good time.
Maine?
I'm having a good time.
Port Loves Beach.
Wait.
Oh yeah, there she goes. That was cool.
That was awesome.
That was cool.
Are they done? 6 minutes, 7 minutes. We are on day 5 of our 15-day camping trip, and we're getting some laundry done here at Powderhorn. Here's all the washers. They're $4. Porter's here to help me so I don't hurt my neck more. And the dryers are 25 cents. I don't know, it gives you like 6 minutes. You guys got the pool to yourself
Yeah,
tonight?
stick your hand in. It's really warm. So
Yeah?
warm. No, actually do it.
Hold on.
Ridiculously warm.
Oh yeah?
Well, hopefully like your type of weather. We should get a pool. Heat it. Just like this. Heat it to like 90 degrees.
Oh yeah. That's nice.
That's me. That's me. Come on, dog. Oh, that's so me. Hey, that's so me.
It's 8:45.
I got it.
This pool closes at 9 o'clock.
Yes.
They have the pool to themselves.
Oh, it's behind you. I just didn't want it to go into the cleaning thing. Where? Oh. Oop, that was my fault. That's me. That's so weird. Yeah, wait, no, that's where the dirt is. Or poop, not sure. Come on, big guy. I can't. This is my $30 necklace that I got at the pier that is way too overpriced. It says $777. And it's me, by the way.
Alright, this is our last night at Powderhorn. We had an awesome day at the ocean. The weather was perfect. It was like 70 degrees but sunny. The water was surprisingly not that cold. We're heading off to Acadia tomorrow, so we'll see you then. Good night. Hey everybody, as always, thanks for your support.